another video, guys. This is gonna be a quick one. Like I said before, focusing on the channel, all hands forward, focus on the channel. Stop, thinking about drifting as much and all that. Obviously there will be drifting, there will be four-wheel drive stuff, there will be turbo LS stuff. We have multiple of all of that. I just want to also put all hands forward to the channel and sell some things, move some things, and then just, focus on some of the projects instead of letting them sit and take forever. So, okay, that said before, the shovel's going away. That will probably be a good idea to explain that. Nothing on this channel stays. Everything goes, we build things, we sell things. It's how we move forward. It's how the channel revolves and keeps itself alive. So yeah, I'm super bummed on this, I'm not gonna lie. I was hoping I didn't have to ride it anymore. It was one of those, just gonna let it go, bye-bye. Oh, helmet head. And so yeah, the transporter messaged me and said, my street is too small to fit a 53-foot reefer trailer or whatever down, and so I gotta take it and we gotta ride it a couple of blocks over, and I'm gonna be meeting him at like a Texaco and helping him load the bike up on, or probably not helping, but I'll see if he'll let me film it, because that'll be pretty cool. There she is. That is the Shovelhead that I got my old lady pregnant on. Not on, but rode, and you know what I mean. I'm an idiot. I'm just, yeah. Been cleaning the garage today. Today's the 13th, I think. Today's the 13th. It's a Sunday. The bike was supposed to get picked up on the 22nd. I got a phone call from the shipper, transporter dude. He was like, hey, I'm dropping a bike off in Bothell today and I'm gonna be on my way down to you. Can I get that shovel to take it to Florida? And what do you know? So, got the bike all wiped down basically and fired right up as usual. The thing as loyal as could be. So, gonna go ahead and throw the GoPro on the helmet and we'll ride around over there. A little backstory on the bike, I guess, even though it's leaving. This was a bone stock 76 Shovelhead that I took and hacked up. A 14 over Fury Springer, 21-inch wheel. It's a cone shovel. I TIG welded the back. I TIG welded all of the bits down through here. Made this exhaust. Made the handlebars. Made the risers. Made the sissy bar. Made the mounts. Everything. I've done everything on this bike. This bike was a bone stock bike when I got it. And now it is a no foot. Oh, I can't even talk. My brain just. Shouldn't even post this because it's just gonna be a short video. But you know what? Keeping you guys in the loop. Plus, it's been like 2 days since I posted a video. You can see actually the square body's out there with the Christmas tree. We've just been messing around doing some family stuff. If you guys are interested in square body content, let me know. I plan on doing the four-wheel drive stuff, but like fixing the heater and wipers and rewiring some of it, some of the little modifications, if that's something you guys want to see, just let me know in the comments or something. But yeah, I'm gonna get this bike fired up. We'll see it all on the GoPro, and then we're gonna ride around over there and head out. Just been installing some new lights out here too. Got some more to hang up there. Like I said, Christmas tree stand. I'm rambling now because I'm nervous and worried. So yeah, let's get this thing out of here. Well, boys and girls, we're home. Wifey's cooking dinner, and I am out here trying not to cry. I'm kidding. I mean, I'm a little bit bummed. It's more, I don't know, the sentimental side of it. That was partially my dream bike. I've always wanted to build a Shovelhead. I'm so glad I got to build that one. The opportunity was fantastic. It's been 2 years now or so, 3 years since I put that bike together, and I've loved every second with that bike. That bike is how I basically, you know, had my son. I went for a motorcycle ride that weekend, and yada yada yada. She got pregnant. But you know, so what? We're working forward. We're moving forward. We're doing things for the channel, and this is best. It's what we need to do. So out here, I have just been adding to the lights to try and make it so filming is going to be a little bit better. And then same out here. This is just set up. I mean, it's almost like 9:30 at night, and I can very easily see everything. You do notice some other parts laying here. I've been looking at doing some and stuff for the radiator hoses. I did go ahead and order, this is all Dash 20 stuff. It's pretty robust, pretty crazy. But I have some old Dash 20 stuff laying around from a different project, and I have been thinking about doing a 90 to 90. Let's see, it would go roughly there to there. So I just have to cut that lower one shorter, but that's all stuff for S10 progress. Oh, I'm over here, not over there. That's all stuff for S10 progress, which we'll probably get into tomorrow, if not the next day. And then, like I said, we're going to be doing some stuff in the woods with the crew cab. Hopefully I'm going to make it down to Brown's Camp in the next week or so. Play at Fire Break and all that stuff. Tillamook Forest, Brown's Camp is one of my favorite places. TSF, I love. But rambling now, trying to keep my mind off of it. I'm going to keep messing around with cleaning up out here and organizing my tools and such, because it's so much nicer when you have things organized. Even though it doesn't look like it's organized chaos. I know where everything is, and that's what I need it to be, is knowing where stuff is. But make sure you've liked this video. Blah 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 blah, I don't really care. Screw this video. This is just, you know, heartfelt, I guess, you know, showing you guys a different side of not just the building. I am a human, not just a robot. Catch you guys later. Average Joe Builds out.